Bats have emerged as unexpected heroes in the battle against rice pests in Southeast Asia. Wrinkle-lipped free-tailed bats are on the front lines, traveling great distances and reaching impressive heights to hunt planthoppers, notorious pests that threaten rice crops. These flying mammals provide a natural pest control solution, diminishing the reliance on chemical pesticides and enhancing agricultural stability. This discovery emphasizes the critical role biodiversity plays in sustainable agriculture, highlighting the importance of conserving bat habitats. Protecting these valuable species is essential for the future of rice production in the region.